Whatever. Go. What's up with you? Let's go. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Good afternoon. How are you doing? Tell me where you're joining from. Today is cryptocurrency update with Mayowa Owolabi. Tell me, how is it going with you? Are you excited? I'm excited. I'm pumped up. It's another day, and this is how we're gonna rock today. Let's do some reminders so that people can know that we are live. Hey, Mr. Zita, how are you doing, sir? Good to see you. Good to hear from you. It's been a while. Apollos, good morning, sir. Good morning, my brother. How is Trinidad today? How is Trinidad today? Mr. Zita, how is United States? Fantastic. Hey, Apollo says I'm pumped up. I'm pumped up too. I'm excited. Hey, Mr. Michael Joseph. It's been a while, look. Mr. Joseph, I'm fine today. Fantastic. So let's share this video before we get busy with our analysis for this week. Good to have you all on the call today. Good to have you guys on the call. I want to share. I'm sharing to Please click on the share button. Let's help other people see this value that we are putting out for free, guys. Cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency update. Bitcoin, Bitcoin is there. What's your take with all of that session? Let's share. Fantastic. I have to share, so good. Fantastic. So let's get to work. Tell me where you're joining from as you get coming. Um, I'm excited. I'm pumped up. The market has been giving some positive vibes, preparing us to go in. Preparing us to go in. Get ready. Which asset do you want us to analyze today? Which of the projects have you invested in? Mm. And as usual, the first thing we check whenever we come is we want to check the, we want to always check what we call the fundamental analysis, what the market is doing fundamental wise. We also want to check what the market is doing sentiment wise, and we also want to check what the market is doing technically. And I've told you guys over and over again that the fundamentals approves the project for you to put your money in. Okay? The sentiment allows you to know the volume in the market. The technical analysis allows you to know when to buy. That a project is good if you're not ready to hold the next 3 to 5 years. You want to know the technical analysis so that you're going in when the movement is when the bullish move or the bearish move is starting. And it's very important that we all have this understanding, because you don't want to do so much. You see, one of the things that got me thinking before I came into this place, came into cryptocurrency space and the stock space, is that I don't want to buy an asset and I'll keep waiting. I don't want to keep waiting. That's what I'm still going to wait for 3 months to 6 months and all of that. I still don't want to just I just don't want to buy and I'll now be waiting severally for movement to happen before I put my money in. But if you have the technical know-how to know when to buy, it saves you, okay? It saves you what you need, and you're going in at the right time, and not just that you're just there and you're just buying as the recommended. So the first thing we check, as usual, is the fundamental. What is the behavior of the market fundamental wise for the past one or 2 weeks? What is it? Okay, so the first one that we have today is the founder of FTX. We have an update on his on his court challenge. Okay, so SBF's 250 million bail guarantor to remain confidential. So I think 3 days ago they requested 4 guarantor. They needed to, like, I think I said it last week. Was it last week or Friday? Okay, they needed people want to know those that gave this guy the bail. Come on, guys. $250 million bail is a lot of money. And if politics is really not involved, I don't know why it's confidential, because this is a system that consumes is still spending people's money. Is it that it's spending people's money? We need to know. Because this 250 million, it means that if you have declared bankruptcy, it means you don't have such money again. So where would people raise 250 million for you? Something is fishy. Something is fishy. Shiba Inu bonds jumps 10,000% as top crypto exchange sent to bond address. Nice. I told you guys that Shiba Inu is good to go. You guys should buy. It's been about I think about 19 or 20% growth. Okay, you can hold it for 4 to 8 months, depending on what you want, or you hold it through the bull run. Very, very good one. Okay, DebDAO set to bond 18 million FTX users debt fund token. Woo! That's good for them. That's good for them. North Korea hackers stole a record amount of crypto in 2022. I see. 31% of investors do not file cryptocurrency taxes to IRS. This is no, a lot of time people don't want because the way crypto is structured, a lot of people are not paying their taxes. Okay, and that's one of the things the government can't control. Okay, they can't control it. So a lot of time people just use other means of funding, and they don't want their details to be on. So it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. KYC, that's why a lot of the exchanges, KYC is very important. Bitavo will receive 80% of DCG debt. Let's see what's the meaning of DCG. Group, okay, a big currency group. Is a VC. Is a VC. Is a VC company. So who is Bitavo? Bitbavo, a famous Dutch crypto trading network, around $300 million. Based on report, Bitavo is now optimistic that they will receive the settlement from DCG, which is a VC company, sometime in the future. Okay, they should settle their issues. Signature bank faces charges overlooking FTX fraud. That's it. Mercado co-founder climate change initiative meets mixed reactions. Crypto banking firm Jono resumes crypto services after halt. That's good for the system. Cryptocurrency prices to recover as DCG Genesis Gemini creditors research agreement. What does that mean? Let's go deeper in it. Allows us to know the good one for us. We'll know before jumping in any asset. So a lot of time I do this weekly. It's not every credit fleeing the bankruptcy platform. Can you imagine? FTX seeks to recover political donation made by Sam Bankman-Fried. Okay, I think that's a good initiative if it can work. I'm not sure it will work because they spend the money. Burglarizing businessman loses half a million dollars to call center cryptocurrency fraud. Wow, that's a lot. Crypto trading volume rises by 25% due to wave movement. Hackers stole 3.8 billion from crypto firms. That's a lot. That's a lot. Terra proposes recoupling Luna, that's Luna Classic and UST months after collapse. Let's see. Not sure they can do that because of record and all of those things. It's a lot. Reconciliation is a lot of work. $41 billion. How will they reconcile that? $41 billion. That's a lot. I'm not sure that reconciliation will work. But let's see. We are here. Binance re-enters South Korea, acquiring Gopax Crypto Exchange. We need to check this Gopax Crypto Exchange. There are 3 exchanges that is on my radar. We'll talk about it today. Okay? So that's what we have this week. I'll talk about the 3 stuff. That's what I have this week on the fundamental. Guys, tell me where you're joining from. Okay, on Lagoju. Good afternoon, boss. Good afternoon, sis. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? How are you doing today? That's fine. Good to see you. Good afternoon, Mr. Alex. How is it going? So the first project that is coming to my mind, let's go through the normal route. Let's check the fear and greed. Let's check the fear and greed. What is the market saying? Last week it was around 60%. Okay, this week is back to 56, 55. Okay, I'm of the opinion that this guy is coming down. Like all my indices are telling me that he will still come back. I can be wrong. Okay. And I told us you buy at the fear, you sell at the greed. Okay. But right now we need to see some down movement. Okay, so let's go to Bitcoin, Ethereum. Then we'll check out those. We'll check out those. We check out the exchange I was talking to you guys about. Okay, so last week I told us that the market is going to be reacting to this supply zone, and it's been there for more than a week right now. So it's just in that place. The momentum is not in yet. We need momentum. Okay, so if you really don't know how to trade, you can see. If you really don't know, understand technical analysis, you can see that the market has been ranging. It came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up. So the volume is right now. Okay, the volume is not there right now. And whenever the volume is not there, it means you have to stay away from the market. Okay, you have to stay away from the market. So it's possible that you don't, but that's the style of Bitcoin. It moves up, it ranges, it moves up, it ranges. It moves down, it ranges. Okay? So let's see what happens here if it's going to take off from there or it's going to break down. Let's watch carefully. No challenge, no rushing. Okay? I'm still of the opinion that Bitcoin is coming down. Okay? Maybe I'll start checking that out from 11. But my main place would be anything below 10,000. Okay? So I strongly feel that it should still come down. It should still come down technically. Okay? And the next one is Ethereum. Ethereum has been ranging, going up and down. It's also reacting to this zone. I think there is a daily zone or weekly zone there. So it has to dictate the direction. I don't see it, I don't see I don't see Ethereum go that far. Because this is not enough to take Ethereum upwards. It's not enough. We need to see that full return, something like this, down, something like this, down. So it will take time, but we are here. Except you're a futures trader. If you are not a futures trader, you have to wait for the volume to come in. Except you just want to be trading, like go in, take 5%, 15%. Okay. If you really want to make that big money we talk about when it comes to cryptocurrency, you have to allow the market to deliver, to be ready, to be ready. That's that for Ethereum and Bitcoin. So there's this asset called CC by is a call by Ethereum. Sorry, by Binance. Binance took over. Is a Korea exchange, if I'm right. It's a Korea exchange, and Binance has some good money in it. So it's part of what I'm expecting very soon to give us that um, that pullback. So anything maybe anything around 20 cents, I'll start looking at buying this asset. Then I hold it. Anything 20 cents. That's TKO. I'll start looking at buying this. I'll start looking at buying this asset. One of the reasons why I love this asset is the fact that I don't love it, I just like it. Is the fact that it's owned by Binance, and this is their own interface in Korea. So it means that for Binance to have a good inflow from the Asian country, TKO need to perform. If you also go to Binance Launchpad, you see that it's part of the project that has, let's check the value lock. TVL. think that should be under diamond. Get to lamb, that's it. So we'll check it. So I saw this project. So the last, let's see some of the projects. I want to check. Okay, completed, anchor completed. I'm expecting it to even the TKO project. And you cannot bring out the TKO project, you go and check. Cannot bring in the TKO project. You go and check it on. Let's know what they have. I will just wait for the retracement. Then I hold till it gets to maybe $16. $16. Let me see. So just hold to $16. Can come in here to $16. That's about 8,000%. Let's check this here. Let's check TKO. We even change the interface. It used to be a blue interface before. Yeah, it used to be a. Okay, let's go and check it on. Let's check it from here. Okay, so this is it. It's rank number 605. As a matter of fact, this move was the announcement that Bitcoin, that Binance has acquired it. This is the move that made the announcement. Okay, so it's at 3.34 cents. This year it was launched at 10 cents. That's the token sales on IEO. Launched on so currently those that bought at IEO, they've done 243%. And Binance has the major stake right now. You can also check their tokenomics here. Okay, so I think this guy has the potential to do 10 to $17. $10 to $17. So we does 3.7 million. Okay, let's see. Let's see. This year, Mr. Money. So we'll work with that. The asset is TKO. TKO is an Asian exchange that Binance bought. It's an Asian exchange that Binance bought, Mr. Babafemi. Let me be sure when Binance bought it. Okay, so December 20th, Binance took over. Okay, can you see Binance completes acquisition of Soko Crypto Exchange. Okay, is an Indonesia-based crypto exchange. So Binance owns it 100%. Is that clear? So that gives us a green light. That gives us a green light. Is that clear, Mr. This year? So there's another broker, another exchange, which is a Korea exchange. So what it means is that any place that Binance cannot function as Binance, what CZ now does is that it goes into that country as an investor, so that instead of him having Binance as the name of the brand there, he goes there to invest in that project. Same thing for the Indonesia exchange is the same thing that is doing for this Korea exchange too, which is GoPax. So the guy knows what he's doing. The guy knows what he's doing. So don't joke with that guy. He knows what he's doing. So if this year good giant is the money. So we need to find a way on how to join this investment. Hmm? It's showing as an exchange. It's not showing us that there's a way to buy into the project. So I'll work on that. You guys should also work on that. Okay. QQ says, you think we will see a correction with Bitcoin in the next few days or weeks? Yes. a correction. There's no volume right now that can take him to the top. That top that we expect. So if that cannot happen, it means that we have to wait for that retracement. Let's do English. Let's do English. Okay. It's in Japanese. It's in Korean. So tell me, what project do you want us to go through today? Um, Tell me what project do you want us to go through today? And the one that is trendy right now is the AI. A lot of people are disturbing me for AI projects. AI project, and there's so much. Guys, you just realize that you can't acquire so many projects because there is no enough capital. But it's doable. It's doable. It's doable. It's doable. I'm checking out any project you guys want us to work on. Any project. Let's check out Solana. Solana. So I don't know. I'm trying not to give false feedback. I'm trying not to give false feedback at all. So that technically speaking, what is coming is not nice. What is coming is not nice at all. What is coming is not nice. What is coming is not nice at all. So the same pattern we are seeing on Facebook, on Bitcoin. So this is all we celebrated 20 Solana. So Solana needs to calm down. This impulsive move cannot give us I wish people can understand how these things work. You can't just You can't just pick up from here and start going up. You can't. So it's like I'm too slow for a lot of people. They want to enter in the trade and make money. Let me give you a good scenario. If NIE can come back to 136, that's the project I'm talking to you guys about today. NIE can come back to 136, we will buy. We'll buy NIE. It has to come back to minimum 136, $1.36 before we can do business with NIE. Okay, Matic. A lot of investors want Matic to keep going up. Wow. Impulse, correction, continuation. So this guy needs to come back to correction. That's why I'm not buying Matic right now. When the time to buy comes, everybody will know. Everybody will know. But saying that Matic will take up from this place and go to that $15, $20 we are expecting, Matic needs to retrace, guys. Matic needs to retrace. So my bias for Matic is it should still come down. The only one that looks like it now is NIE Protocol, but I'm expecting NIE Protocol to come down back to about $1.36. Then we can find it, we can follow it back to about $25 on NIE Protocol. So we've spoken about NIE, we've spoken about TKO, which is an Indonesia broker or Indonesia exchange. I'm expecting these Indonesia guys to come. It should come lower. Anything below 2 cents, 20 cents, I'll buy. Anything below 20 cents, I don't want to buy here. A lot of people bought here, but it's not for that kind of money I'm expecting. Okay, when I'm buying a project, I want to hold it for minimum 6 months to 2 years. Okay, but if I'm trading, I can go and do futures. Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Hey, Joshua, how are you doing, sir? Samuel Oduma, how is it going? Is it making some sense, right? So when the first volume go out, don't jump in on that first volume. Don't jump in on that first volume, please. Because if you go in on that first volume, you will be negative for a very long time. For a very long time before you can have profit. Okay? Good. So tell me more. We've spoken about money. Can we do meme coin? Hey, Mr. Gabriel, how is it going? And how is Malabo today? You came a bit early today. I don't want to use the word late. Okay, guys. Any question? Any question? There's no question. Any question, guys? Tell me. Oh, I see. Hey, Mr. Bowman, I celebrate you, sir. Leadership. I celebrate you, sir. How is it going, sir? Are you good to go? In the absence of no question, can we call it today? Can we call it a day? Can we call it a day? Can we call it a day, guys? The Lord is good all the time. We thank the Lord. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. So today we spoke about TKO. We're expecting TKO to come lower for us to buy, and we can hold it for the next bull run. The second project I mentioned is Bitcoin. We're expecting Bitcoin to come down. I'm not expecting it to go up at the moment. Ethereum to come down. I'm not expecting it to go up at the moment. Okay, but TKO looks like it. Then we said near protocol. We expect near protocol also drop, and we'll be looking at Gopak's exchange in Korea when their projects are ready. I'm going to be good today. So that's all we can cover today. I look forward to your success. Make sure you hold on to your technical analysis after you've done your fundamental and your sentiment. Always hold on to your technical. Don't jump in, even after all others are saying bye, bye, bye. I look forward to your success. My name remains Mayowa. Have a pleasant evening, and I'll talk to you guys. Peace out.